We're on 6.5, Properties of Logarithms. This is the fourth and final video, and we're going to talk about the change of base formula that uses common logarithms. And this formula is really helpful because your calculator doesn't have, or may not have, different bases, okay? On graphing calculators, most of them do, and I can show you how to do that later, but if you're just using a scientific calculator, you can still find logs, okay? And that's using this change of base formula, where A, B, and C are positive real numbers, B and C cannot be 1, okay? Then you have log base C of A is the same thing as saying log base, and you get to choose that base, of A, so what's inside the log, divided by log of whatever base you chose, they have to be the same, log base B of the base of your original log, okay? So the calculator has this log button with base 10, okay? It doesn't say the base 10 because that's our common log. So I can take the common log of log base C of A by taking log of A divided by log of C. The base, here's how I like to remember that it's on the bottom, is it's lower than the A, so it needs to stay lower than the A in the equation. I can also use another similar log because whatever log you choose is fine as long as it's the same. So we can do natural log of A over natural log of C as well, okay? All right, so let's give that a try. Oops, I don't want that at the top. I don't know what I'm doing. Sorry. Okay, so I'm going to use the change of base formula to evaluate these logarithms, okay? Because you haven't learned how to use your calculator to type in log base 3 of 17. But I can use the common log button with base 10 of 17 divided by that common log of the base of my original log, which was 3. Okay? So we can take our calculator now and solve that. Okay? Because see, I only have on here, whoops, you might want to be able to see the calculator. I only have on here the common log and the natural log. Okay? I'll show you later where some of the graphing calculators will have it where we can change the base. But right now we don't know that. But I can do log of 17. Now your calculator put a parenthesis, so you have to end your parentheses, divided by log of 3. And because I'm pushing enter, I don't have to end that parentheses. Okay? So this will equal 2 let's see, how many decimal places? Let's go 3 decimal places. 5, 7, and that 8 has to round up to a 9. Okay? Let's try the same thing with number 9, but this time I'm going to use the natural log because I also have that button as well. So I'm going to say the natural log of 4/9 divided by the natural log of 7. I can use either log or natural log. I just have to use the same one in that problem. Okay? So if I go back to my calculator, natural log of 4 divided by 9. End your parentheses before you divide by the natural log of 7. Enter. And I get that this equals a negative 0.417. Now, something you can do if you forget to close the parenthesis on the top is put in natural log of 4 divided by 9, push enter, then divide by the natural log of 7, and push enter again. Okay? That's another way to not have to end a parenthesis. Alright, so go to your practice and finish it up by doing problems number 33, 38, and 39. Submit your assignment into Big Ideas, take a screenshot of your score, and submit it into Canvas.